What's in the box? Dual 180p 30, single 2K 30, night vision, Wi-Fi with app, GPS tracker. What's in the box? Jeez, this sucker is in there. This is what we get inside. Quick start manual. And your setup. Got a DC connector with some 3M tape. And the housing for the windshield. USB. And the actual unit. Oh, this is smaller than I thought it would be. This is great. I thought it'd be really lumpy, heavy, and everything else. It's pretty light. Kingslim. I guess I'll make sure I take that off. Dual camera. LCD screen. There's your SD card disc, your power. You got a speaker here. You got input for power and your controls. And this takes off this little front plate. I'm assuming you pry it right there where that little insert is. And once that pops off, the mount slips into here. Like so. Okay, the main purpose for this camera in the vehicles are for both vehicles. Main one is for the camper though, and I also want to use it as security as well, not just for traffic or if someone bumps into me, and I'll show you here in a second. So yeah, so I got all the little protectors off as far as the plastic protectors for the screens, the camera itself, and then I've got an SD micro card, and that goes right in there. That, and you just put it in. Usually clicks, there it goes. Alright, so that part's done. Now we gotta hook it up to the glass and then power it. Right there's the power, right on the bottom. Clicks in like that. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We've got a menu already. See how that turns? The suction pulls in, lets out. All right, let's get you a little closer. Okay, on this insert, it has two different ways of powering it. You can go the short way from the dash right here to the window, or they give you all this excess cable to power it where you can run your cable whatever direction you want along your window. Well, that's a nice feature and all, but I'm gonna run it straight down because I'm gonna be using it not only just in the camper but in the minivan as well. Okay, then it's download, and then it says, do you want to know your location? Not really, just maybe when I'm using the app. Add recorder. Connecting camera. Your camera would like to find connection device on your local network. Okay. Okay, when it searches for your phone, this pops up and it gives you the password. So I'm gonna put the password, but you can't see it. Okay, it joined. Alright, so there's our screen. You got me, you can see the van, and I can, let's see here, go to settings, push OK, and here's your screens. Times, Wi-Fi, we got that. Parking monitor. This is what I really like. So when I'm at campgrounds or just parked in general, boondocking, I'll have cameras throughout recording the inside and the front of my van as well. Let's push OK. Let's turn that sucker on. All right. Let's go to frequency. Okay. 60 hertz, that's recommended. Sounds good. GPS is on. Driving reminder, what's this? I guess I don't know if I need this. It's just gonna be a reminder, like, are you sleepy, you know, whatever. And then you got your format, SD card, we got it. All data will be deleted. Okay, I don't have anything on there, but okay. So it's definitely formatted. Default settings. No, we don't want that. Okay, so you guys get a general idea. What's frequency? 60 hertz. I don't know if it's, I guess that'll be a better picture. Language. English. And all kinds of other weird stuff. Time. Alright, let's do the time. 12-hour system, that's fine. Alright. Time display. Okay. Screensaver, 1 minute. Okay. Alright. So, oh, there you have it. Let's see what this does. Recording. There it is, recording. So I've used the dash cam for a couple weeks now, with recording all kinds of traveling events, including day and night vision, just to get a broader view of the camera's quality and its functions. So far I was impressed by the wide angle lens, front and back. You can see all the windows clearly from each side of the cabin. Here's the camera in park mode where it senses movement and sound. I like this feature whether I'm inside or outside of the camper. Here I am in rush hour traffic in the minivan, just to kind of give you an idea what the LCD screen looks like. I'm recording this about 8 o'clock in the morning. You can visually see the license plate with no problem in front of me, as well as 4 lanes of traffic. If you look to the far right bottom corner, you'll see GPS, the date, and the time in the morning. This could come in really useful if you had to go prove in a court of law. With video recording license plates in front of me, I'm also aware that I can also detect the vehicle to the right of me. Let's get a car wash using the Kingslim dash cam. I couldn't record rain traveling, so this is close enough. And here's night vision at 1080 pp. Pretty good visual of license plates. You can zoom in on them and still read them. Daytime is definitely better, but it is readable depending how close you get to the vehicles. What do I think of the Kingslim? For the price, I give it an A+. It doesn't have the 4K recording, but has most to all features as high-end cams do. I do recommend the new upgrade version, Kingslim D-1. It has the same screen menu, but color, rear image, in-cabin view, as well adjustable dual cameras and 4K recording. I hope you found the video useful. Share and like. If you want to pick up one of these Kingslim dash cams, check out my link below in the description. Catch y'all in the next video.